Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat. And you click here in this page. After that, in this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data as you see here. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.